Hello everybody out there, I am Barry Skeen from Quicksilver Exhaust, and behind me we have a 2023 Range Rover Sport in this lovely black colour. We're about to get it washed so it'll be looking even better when we road test it, but more importantly this is the very first Range Rover Sport to have our Quicksilver exhaust system on it. And I have inside, you don't often see this side of the building, this is where really the mechanics of the company happen, and lots and lots of cool exhaust, Porsche exhaust there, GT exhaust, and also this one-of-a-kind Nat. How you doing?
I'm really well, thank you. Can we do that again? Basically, welcome to our latest development, another world's exclusive for the Range Rover Sport 4.4 V8. You want to hear the thing, you're going to hear the thing. Go on, Ben. Party trick. Bam.
Very good.
Oh yes, that is the defined cut as we call it in the industry.
Yeah, so that's actually, Ben's the one doing the revving, that's not automatic, that the app doesn't do that. You have to do that for yourself, we don't supply that. But no, that's all good. I mean, we do all we do is Range Rover videos, Defender videos at the moment. Why would that be? Because we're really good at it. So, yeah. So let us know.
Really modest.
Yeah, really modest. I am going to go out in this with one of these two crazy cats driving. I'm going to stand on the road like a strange man with a camera, and we're going to see how it sounds like so you guys can hear it. See you then.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Love you, bye.
Lovely.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
It's not too much either. I think it suits the sport really well. I think for the sport this is quite appropriate with that level of volume.
Yeah, it's good. I like it a lot. And I like the air conditioned seats as well.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
This exhaust is basically works with the Quicksilver app, which is on your phone, and then you can change the valves whenever you want. So we're just going through a very sleepy village at the moment. And so we've got it in the loud dynamic mode, which you can hear now, sounds good. And then I hit this button, and yeah, I mean that's back. We've got the windows open, but that is just super refined and super civilized. And then opening back up, you get that. So you really do get two completely different worlds of driving experiences at a touch of a button. So we'll see what it sees like, here's like on the outside of the car. So there you go, that is the brand new Range Rover Sport 2023 and risking my life here and trusting Ben not to run me over. If you don't have or are dissatisfied with the sound with your new Range Rover, then come to us. We supply one of the best systems in the world for these Range Rovers, for all Range Rovers, and we can get one on your car sounding the way you want to sound with ultimate control with your phone. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more crazy content, and we will definitely see you on the next one, probably another Range Rover video, who knows.
Minotaur hanging at the back of a van.
It's a sign.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. What the hell is that? It's quite impressive.
It is. Oh, did I bring my phone? I did.